Usually, we only think of women's styles trends as being fast-paced, but this year is bringing some huge changes to men's sunglasses styles that you're not going to want to miss. Hey everyone, I'm Eric, and welcome back to the Fuse channel. Today, we're covering the 5 latest trends in men's eyewear for 2024. So, if you're a guy, or you're shopping sunglasses for the men in your life, this is the guide for you. 2024 is the year of the big and the bold in all things fashion, including sunglasses. The retro eyewear inspired by the 70s maximalism and athletic styles are taking over on the runway and social media. A lot of athletes and celebrities are wearing huge sunglasses these days, and it's a trend that we're predicting to continue throughout the rest of the year. Now, if you're looking to invest, you could check out the thick, oversized geometric sunglasses from Yes Glasses for $98. Or you could find a more affordable option like the $32 Pacific Palisades oversized sunglasses from Knockaround, or the Eggman XL or Kaio half-frame frames at Fuse Lenses. By the way, if you're not sure which of these styles would look good on you, check out our video on how to pick the right glasses for your face shape linked below. And while you're there, subscribe. Following the retro style, but on the opposite side of the size spectrum, those round John Lennon frames are back and smaller than ever. The Oboe sunglasses from Yes Glasses are $78 and come in a ton of frame and lens colors. And the Guru sunglasses from iBuyDirect are just 35 bucks. And hey, if you're really ready to commit to the tiny circle look, iBobs sells mini Wisecracker sunglasses for $95. Or if you like circular but don't want to stand out too much, check out Fuse Sunset or Fuse Jupiter, which both start at $39.99. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you'd wear super tiny frames. And those 80s glasses that your dad never got rid of, ask him if you can pull those out of the junk drawer, because Aviators with thick rims and thick brow bars are in style. Now, if you don't have a couple $100 to spare on these Roca Torino sunglasses, try the $45.95 premium Aviators from Zenni Optical, or the $89 Space Ranger sunglasses from Crap Eyewear. And if you want to go even bolder with the brow, check out these Fighter Pilot Aviator spin-off Shield sunglasses from Carve Eyewear. Now, Ray-Ban has also recently added several new options with thick brow bars to their Wayfarer Aviator line, like the Vagabond, Olympian, and Shooter, all starting at $165. Now watch our Ray-Ban video guide to learn more. If you're not into thick style but want authentic 80s aviators, you could check out a vintage shop, or our Fuse Archer sunglasses that start at just $69.99. Now, aviators are also on our women's sunglasses trends list this year. If you're a woman or shopping for the gals in your life, check it out. And subscribe and hit the bell so you're the first to catch our new videos. And would you believe that the cat eye frame style is shifting from a women's trend to a men's trend? Sunglasses like the $39 unisex Hooper model from Glassy Eyewear and the $42 Thomas from Koala Eye are making a huge statement. Personally, ever since I saw The Matrix, I've thought cat eye frames were one of the most underrated styles for guys to wear. So I'm excited that they're making a splash in men's fashion. Now give this video a thumbs up if you are too. If you want to be more subtle, Fuse has 2 frames that follow this trend, but not so much that they can go out of style. Summerlin, which starts at $39.99, and Lido, starting at $44.99. Frames aren't the only important part of eyewear style. The lenses are 50% of a great pair of sunglasses. We're seeing a lot of light pastel lens colors from men right now, as well as deeper autumn hues, so think oranges and reds. The mirror lenses have also been in for a while now, and we're not seeing the hype dying down anytime soon. They add a huge statement to any outfit, and if you play outdoor sports, you can use mirror lenses to distract the opponent when they're checking themselves out. And of course, sun safety is always in style. You always want to buy UV 400 sunglasses to keep your eyes fully protected, which you can learn more about in this video. 100% of our lenses at Fuse have 100% UV protection, and our most basic lenses are made out of the highest quality, industry standard, damage resistant polycarbonate. You can mix, match, and customize blue light, color enhancing, polarized, gradient, and mirrored lenses, with replacement lenses starting at just $24.99. If you find retro frames in a vintage shop but the lenses are beat up, or if you already own one of these styles and just want to add a pop of color, send your glasses to Fuse. We offer affordable replacement lenses for 99% of frame styles, including custom lenses if your model isn't listed on our website. Just ship your frames to our lab in Clearwater, Florida, and we'll send you your brand new updated sunglasses ready to wear. We also have dozens of our own styles, including cat eye, oversized, round, and aviators, and over 25 unique lens options. You can find us at fuselenses.com/YouTube and use the code FUSEYT at checkout to get a discount on your first purchase. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. We'll see you all in the next one.